Right here is the Orbi RBR50, and it is a mesh network, and we're going to take it apart today. And the satellite unit for this is currently firmware bricked. If you don't know what firmware bricked means, basically once the update's done, it just can't come back alive and doesn't matter what you do. And unfortunately, also the satellite unit does not have a manual way to flash a firmware to it. So for that, it really just kind of, you had to buy a new unit. When we bought it, the MSRP price was $350 and $359.99, I think, and at Best Buy. And that's when they first came out. It is a unit. It is solid to unit, I had to say. Even if just by itself, it is a very solid to unit. Unfortunately, just the customer service support company itself, support-wise, is not there. But you guys, Netgear, Orbi, have built a solid unit for performing, and all of that stuff. This is one of the unit that my parents have no problem with, and it just because the unit performance, once the satellite unit went out, this unit just basically become just only certain part of the house works and not other. So at that point, it still works, but it just a certain part of the house. It's not like full coverage. So unfortunately, anyway, that is a quick review of it. My opinion is a great unit if you expect it to last about 3 years. And each year you're probably looking about $110 each year for 3 years it lasts for us. And I did look it up on YouTube video. I'm not the only one that experienced that firmware break. So yeah, that's really unfortunately. Even we had a Google Wi-Fi that lasts longer than that. So anyway, long story short, let's see what can I show you. So this unit is the router. That's what the RBS stand for, the satellite unit. So this one is currently off. Let's make sure we plug into that. And I did take the sticker off and to remove the screw. So if you ever want to take apart yours, there's 2 screws right there. Take it apart and like that. And there is the light right here. And this one is currently fully functional, except one problem. When I took it apart, I wasn't careful enough for the wire, so I broke one of those antenna off the thing. This device is truly a solid unit. Like I said, I really recommend it if you could afford it. But unfortunately, the company is just after 3 years, they break the units to the point that you can't use it anymore. You have to force to buy another one. I don't understand. And then when I do call support, I do not get any system format. That's just awful. Over here is your 2 antenna where my thumb is. There's another one right there, and then over here is the 2x2 main MIMO antenna, and over here is a giant heat sink, literally a huge heat sink. And there's your screws right there, and we're looking at the take screw. We're probably gonna end up taking this thing apart just to explore what it's all about, but it's not much to see other than a giant heat sink with screws on top of it. This is aluminum, so aluminum is good for heat dissipation. I really don't want to take this specific one apart because this technically still works, because it's still, this unit is by itself probably costs about 100 give and take money buck. So yeah, since this device is not connected or set up, You are gonna get an orange light soon as the device is fully boot up. Over here you also have a bunch of plastic thing that kind of like a mold to mount the thing to. So yeah, I kind of boot force into this, and so this thing actually broke, or this thing, the screw part. So this cannot put it back together. But you can see here's the pink light. It's really pretty pink light. I accidentally hit the sync button. I want to cancel it. Well, I guess I can't. So yeah, it's a very nice unit, solid unit. And that's about it. I take the sticker off, thought the screw was there, but it's not. So yeah, unfortunate. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.